Welcome back to another episode of my new series where we are putting ourselves back on the priority list. As moms, wives, girlfriends, just hardworking women, we often pour into everyone else and we leave little for ourselves. Sometimes nothing. But I'm starting small with some 10-minute morning self-care routines. Today I'm just doing some simple yoga. It's just really stretching. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's not a tutorial, okay? It's been 2 years since I've really worked out or I stretched or did anything for myself. So let me tell you, it's not about aesthetics or perfection. I just grabbed what I had and I made it work for me. I showed up for me. This is about improving our mental health, finding peace in the chaos, and leading by example for our families. If you've been neglecting yourself, like so many of us do, I encourage you to take this step with me for just 10 minutes every day, okay? Let's prioritize our well-being, even in the middle of busy mom life and everything else that we got going on, because we deserve it. And so does our families, because when we care for ourselves, we can show up better for them. Come be a fly on my wall to see if this woman could just take 10 minutes and focus on her needs. Tap in with your girl. Enjoy.
Are you okay? What's wrong? This right here, though. This right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is what I need. Not for real. I really needed this.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes. Hey, you okay? What's going on?
Go over there.
Just get him a little car. Where are your cars at? Where's your car? Zai, come here. Come get a hug. High five.
Hey, you stop that. Stop that attitude
They
now.
about to get snatched up
Tommy Tails.
and put on the freeway
Hey,
with the fruit lady.
hey,
Yes.
you remember the car seats?
Huh?
I need help with the car seats. You get the check.
Yeah, I'm coming. Better. Better. I love you. I just had to take a couple of minutes
to myself because I just had to build a scooter. And it stressed me out. We're about to head out, but I had to take this moment to myself because that's the challenge. I have to take the 10 minutes to focus on myself every morning, regardless of what's going on, right? So it's different today, but that's okay. Hi. And that's okay. I already opened up cars for you today. Where's your cars? I already opened up a box. Where's your box? Go get your cars. There's your yellow. Mommy needs to sit by herself.
Hello.
Yellow.
Mommy, don't leave me.
Thank you.
Like, Mommy, I was gonna like you're gonna lose more cards and lose more cards. And never fun.
LJ,
Yeah.
here, where's Jackie? Or another one. Another one. This is
It's cold outside.
Oops.
It's cold outside.
They shot a jacket.
Okay. Can you stop walking around the house in your shoes, please? What are you looking for? Actually, that's not my concern. I'm sorry. Can you stop walking around the house? Thanks.
Yeah, I'm just looking for a jacket. Pop it.
I was smelling that because I thought it smelled funny. No. No.
Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Thanks. I'll grab him one.
Wait. No. Wait.
I'm sorry?
No.
Okay. To do the car seat? To do the car seats?
Yeah, just to see that.
Okay, I'll come do the seatbelts.
You doing yoga, babe?
I'm done. It's fine.
Oh, my bad. I know you was doing something.
Namaste. So every day it's gonna be shit that's going on. You're gonna have to build scooters. You're gonna have to make breakfast. You're gonna have a dirty house. You're gonna have a whole bunch of shit that's going on. You're probably gonna be heading out the door. Make sure you take the time to focus on yourself. And people are gonna try to distract you. They're gonna try to get in your focus. They're gonna try to get in your way. Sometimes you're not even gonna be able to speak because your brain just ain't gonna be there. But that's okay. You take that time. You take that time. I took that time. I took that time. And that's okay, right? That's okay. All right, I gotta go. I gotta put these car seats in the car. And out and start our day. Peace, y'all.